Hey friends, today I used two mini designs from the Sprinkle with Love transfer on this cute little metal mailbox, which is going on my Valentine's tiered tray. Because this is a metal surface, it is very important that I fuzz the transfer several times before placing it on the surface to keep it from stretching when I pull it off. I used bright white chalk paste with a mini squeegee on this design. Watch as I peel to reveal. And oh, isn't that so cute? It's going to look great on my tray. After drying the chalk design, I followed the same procedure on the other side. This time, I used hugs and kisses with bright white chalk paste, which looks great on this red. I did notice that I had a little bit of lint under, but I was able to get it out. Chalk, remove the excess and put back in the jar, and peel to reveal. I did notice that I had gone over the side with just a little bit, but that was easily removed with a wipe and some water. If you like what you see and you want to see more, visit my online store